Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Is your PS5 controller acting up, with buttons not responding? Don't worry, many common issues are often software glitches, not hardware failures, and they are surprisingly simple to resolve. We'll walk you through a series of quick, effective troubleshooting steps that can bring your controller back to life. These are the latest methods, updated for 2025, ensuring you have the most current solutions at your fingertips. Let's get those buttons pressing perfectly again. Sometimes, the easiest fix is a quick reset. First, turn off your PS5 completely, then power it back on after about 30 seconds. Next, disconnect your controller from the console, then plug it in directly with a USB cable. This forces a fresh connection and often resolves minor communication errors. If that doesn't work, a small factory reset button exists on the back of your controller. Pressing it with a pin for 5 seconds can clear most software hiccups. Keeping your PS5 system and controller firmware updated is absolutely crucial. Sony regularly releases updates that fix bugs and improve peripheral compatibility. First, navigate to your PS5 settings and check for system software updates, installing any available ones. Then, connect your controller directly to the PS5 with a USB cable. This ensures its internal firmware is also updated. These updates often include patches, specifically designed to resolve button input issues and enhance overall responsiveness. Sometimes, the problem isn't software but something physical. Over time, dust, crumbs, or even sticky drink residue can accumulate around and under your controller buttons, preventing them from pressing down fully or making proper contact. Take a close look around each button that's giving you trouble. If you spot any debris, gently use a dry, soft-bristled brush or a can of compressed air to dislodge it. Always be very careful and avoid using liquids directly on the controller. If you've tried all these steps and your controller buttons are still not responding, it might be time to consider professional assistance. First, check your controller's warranty status. Many controllers are covered for a year, potentially qualifying you for a free replacement. You can easily find this information on the PlayStation support website. Reach out to PlayStation support directly. They can provide official troubleshooting, guide you through a repair process, or arrange for a replacement, ensuring your gaming experience is restored.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.